Hello and welcome to the website development with WordPress course. In this video, we're going to go through the topics that we're going to be learning in this course. First of all, we're going to do the domain registration, web hosting on HostGator, and then we're going to install the WordPress, and we will install the useful plugin, and we're going to design a web page from scratch. And then after that, once we have the website, and we're going to do the search engine optimization with Yoast, and after that we're going to do the Google Analytics to track the visitors and the traffic on a website. So let's talk about the things we need beforehand. First, we need a domain name, and we need a hosting, which can be share or cloud hosting. And the difference between share and cloud hosting is that for share hosting, it is only one server that hosts multiple websites, and for the cloud hosting, it's one website hosted in multiple servers, so that you can be sure that the server will never go down. Once we have the website, then we may want to do a couple of things to secure our website and to optimize the search engine results for the website. So we can do SSL certificate, which is the security locker for the website, and we can do the search engine optimization, etc. Let's get started with the domain registration. My favorite place to buy the domain and hosting service is the HostGator, because it allows me to buy the package on a monthly basis, and it allows me to buy the domain separately. And you can check out the other service provider, which is a Bluehost, and this hosting provider allows you to buy domain name with hosting package for long term, and the only drawback is that you have to register. You have to buy it for 1 year, so you have to be very sure of what you're going to do with your website. And on the other hand, HostGator just allows you to buy it on a monthly basis, so you can cancel the subscription anytime. So if you want to start buying the domain and select the hosting package, you can select here. And my favorite one is the baby plan, because this is only $3.95, starting at $3.95. And yeah, if you want to buy it, you just click on buy now, and it will direct you to select the domain. Here you can check your domain name. For example, if you want to do the POS or pointofsales.com, you can check whether this domain is available or not. And if it's not available, it will show like this. If it's available, and it will show the correct, it will show available here. So I already have the domain, which is triumph.com, and I own this domain. So what I can do is I just choose the hosting plan. So when I choose the hosting plan, I would go for only 1 month. So that's a little bit pricey, but it's okay because you can always cancel this subscription. So what you want to do is you scroll down here, you have to put your username. You will use this username later on when you log into your website, WordPress website, and when you log into your control panel for this hosting. After that, you scroll down and you fill up your information here, and you can pay through PayPal or your credit card, and you can get the free SSL certificate for this hosting package. And here you want to secure your site from hackers. If you want to secure it, and you can tick it. If you don't want it, then you can just uncheck. And for the backup, you may not need it because the site is running all the time, so not very serious about this. And here HostGator will provide you the coupon code that is automatically validated, and what you want to do is you click on here and you check out. So after you check out, then HostGator will send you email like this that includes your username and the server detail. And what you want to do is you just click on this login button, and HostGator will ask you to log in the portal, and I already log in. And this is my domain, and what I want to do is I go to launch cPanel. Here we have many tools that we can use for free, and now we are building the WordPress, so we want to go down and look for the quick install. So you look for the software and you look for this quick install, and once you found it, then you click on it. Here we want to install WordPress, so we click here and we select the domain that we just registered and we click next. We put the blog title and admin username, first name and last name, and here we put the email, the admin email. This email will receive the password from WordPress, and you check these two and you click install, and for my website it's already installed, so we don't need to click install again, otherwise it will show the error because the site is already running. So once you complete the installation, WordPress will send you email like this, and you click on this admin URL and you log in with your username and password, and you'll be able to change this password later on. So once you click on the URL, you will see like this, and you'll be able to log in with your username. So this is the backend of the website, and if you want to check out the website, you can click here, visit the site, and it will direct you to your website. And this is my existing website, and I will change it to the site like this to be more beautiful, to be more attractive. So what we want to do is we go back, and first we want to go to the setting, and here we will change the URL. Here when you register it, your domain name may not have this http/www. So you will add here, and to change the password, you can go to the users and select the user. I could change the password here because the password that WordPress will send to you, it's a bit complicated to remember. So what you can do is you can change your password here, and you can change your own. So next what we will do is we will select the themes that match with the web concept. So here we already have the existing theme, but we don't want this, so we want to add new theme for the site. So we click on the add new. There are many free themes available for WordPress sites, so you can just simply preview each theme and see if it's fit for this web concept. If it's fit, then you can click on install. But in our case, what we want to do is we want to search for the theme name Shuttlebox, which is actually similar with this website theme. So we're going to install this. First we can do the preview, but the preview might be a bit messy because it will only show the words and the text of the site. So we go back and install this theme, and once we install it, then we will have to activate it to actually install and activate it for our website, for our domain name. So here we already have the theme installed for our site, and what we want to do next is we want to install the plugins before we actually customize this. So in order to be able to customize the site with a very simple tools, what we want to do is we want to install the plugin called Element Builder, and this is the plugin that's very useful for building the web page. So here we're going to install this Elementor Page Builder, and we can install all these plugins that is useful for the website, and later on we're going to install the SEO, the Yoast SEO. So here we have to activate this page builder again, and once we activate it, we go back and we install the Yoast SEO to make sure that we install all these useful plugins for our website. So we're gonna type Yoast, and this is the search engine optimization tools for the website, particularly designed for the WordPress website. So we activate it, and there are many useful plugins in the WordPress, so you can search and install and activate this. So now we are ready to go for the web design. I start customizing the site. Before I do that, I like to inform you something, that I clear all the contents from this web page through deleting the pages and the posts from this website. So our site is now pretty clear, and this is only purely the theme content. So what we want to do is we want to customize. So we go to appearance and we go to the customize. And here you can do a few things here. And these tools are different from one another. And for some themes, there are fewer tools. And for others, you may find a lot of tools available for free. But if you want to use the premium version, you can upgrade this theme as well. And if it's premium, there will be more tools available for modification. But first, we're gonna go to the theme options. What options are available here? For general setting, there aren't much things that you can really modify, and this page layout is not that different. So we go back and we go to home page. This is where you can do the image sliding. So what we want to do is we want to put the image slider for the site, and we want to put the image. So what we do is we just select the image and we upload it from the computer. Here we have the image. I'll just select one. So choose image, and that image will appear on the slide number 1. And what we can do is we can put the title for this. We want to do the retail master post, because that's the name of this image. And we can add the description, and we can also add the URL, and we publish it, and that will update this web page. So the title is appear on the image, so we don't want a title appear there because we already have the content for this image, so we want to leave it blank. And for the URL, we also leave it blank, and we want to add the second image for this. So what we want to do is we want to upload this one. This is for the Sharelight application. It's a lifestyle and social app. So this is the second image that we just uploaded. And what we want to do is we want to specify the resolution of this image. So we want to do about 400 and see if it's appear good. And it's okay for this image, but it's not okay for the other one. So we will put with 600, and if it's not okay, we'll try with 7. The contents shows a bit clearer. So yeah, we'll leave it like this. And if you want to put the call to action for this site, we can check this, and there will be call to actions site available between these two contents. So if we say your retail business solutions, then there will be the call to action button appear like this, but we want to leave it blank first because we don't want to add any call to action here. So we want to just leave it. And if we want to add call to action, we click here and we put the title, and we put the teaser message, and we put the button for read more or learn more, etc. And that button can lead to the page or specify the custom link. So we want to publish this. So, and then we go back Next, what we want to do is we go to homepage feature, and this is the area where we can modify this three areas of homepage. And here the content area 1 represent this area. So we want to put the image for this area. We want to put the, let's say this one. Let's see if it appears well. If it appears well, then we will keep it. So, and for the title, we will just write the retail master course and retail solution. I would say all-in-one retail solution. And for the second area, we'll put this content, this image, and see what it looks. It looks okay. So we put lifestyle and social apps, and for the description, we'll put the content that I've already copied. Discover more than 1,000 restaurants, hotels, and local attractions. Okay, so for the third image, you go to the pixels, and here you can download many free images. And for the third content area, I'll put this image, so I'll just download it. And this is the image that I want to put there. So go back and select the image. And we'll go like this. Now we can drop the file into this library. And we click on the choose file. And see what it looks. Yeah, it looks okay. So for this title, we'll just do digital marketing service. So these are three types of products that we have for this Triumph Technology company. And we'll put the Reliance for optimal result. So if we look at these three contents, they are not in a line, so we have to modify it. Here we have 2 lines of text, and here we only have 1, so we have to adjust it. So to adjust it, I'll just go through the content I've created earlier. And for this point of sales, I will put this and see if it's okay. I'll just put retail business management. And for the second content, we put the discover amazing place and socialize with local people, so that it is in 2 lines. And for the digital marketing service, I will just put this one, your trusted partner. The contents are a lot better if they are aligned. So the image looks okay, and the contents 2 lines. So I think it's good for now. So we just click publish. So after we finish these 3 modifications, then we can go and check out what our website looks. And we go and visit the site. Yeah, it looks okay. But anyway, let's continue doing the modifications, and we will change the text from this. So next we look at the header, and here we don't have that much change, but if we want to enable such button around this area, we can switch it on, and if we don't want it, we can just switch it off. And here sticky header doesn't make much difference, so we just leave it like this, and we publish and go back. And here we go to the footer. Footer is the content that will be displayed down here, and if we want to add any widgets, we can select the layout for the widget. And for now, what we will do is let's add the scroll to the top, and this one is adding this that will direct to the top, and we'll enable it. And let's go back to the page, because we just modify the first and second area. What we want to do is we go to the site identity. Here we can edit this text for Triumph Technology. I would add the Solution Company Limited. This is the name that I register, and we put the tagline: we leverage technology to bring solution for retail industry, let's say. Not sure this is too long. I think it's a bit too long, so we just want to keep it like Triumph Technology, maybe add solution. Right, and here we can put the logo, and we put this logo. So we select the logo, and it asks you to crop the logo, and you just crop the image. Our logo will appear there, and that logo will replace the text. So either we want the logo or we want the text. I think we better keep it with the logo. That looks much better. So, and then we publish. So now let's have a look at other functions. This is where you can modify the color. If you want different color for your background, you can adjust it here. And for the header image, this is the image around this area. And if you want to put some image there, you can. If you add the image, it will look like this, and it's pretty ugly. So you don't want to put it unless you want to do some ads on here. So background image also the same. Let's first remove this one first and go back, and here you can have a look at the menus that are already in place, but we'll delete these menus because these menus are from previous websites. I will delete all of them. So now we're going to create a page to display on our home page. Here we can select the menus from above to display it here, but we don't want that. We want special page to display in this home screen. So what we want to do is we want to go back and go to the page. Here you can see I've created two pages for the website, and one is our business that you saw earlier, and second is the team. So here I'll show you how to create a new page. So you just click on add new, and we want to name it as home page because this will be displayed on home page. And we go down here and we select the template, and we will select the Elementor full width, and then we will publish it. Once it is published, we will have the URL for this this particular home page, and we will edit this page with Elementor that we install as a plugin. And with this Elementor, we can just drag and drop for our page. And what we want to do here is we want to put the YouTube video. So we click on this drag widget here, and on top of that we want to write something. So we create this widget here, and we will go and select the headings. So we just drag here, and we'll name it as our portfolio, and we will put this content in green color, and we will put it in the middle. And here we want to put the YouTube video. So what we do is we go here and drag this video and bring it here, and we want to bring another video, so we'll bring the video here. And if we want to put the image and the text in the box, then we can just simply drag and drop this one. And here what we want to do is we want to change this video, so we click here, and here we look for the videos, our own videos, so we paste it here, and then we will see the previews of the video. And here what we can do is that we can make it autoplay. Then whenever this site is visited, that this video will play automatically, right? And for the second video, what we want to do is we want to find another videos, and this is the one for Retail Master, and we copy the URL, we click on this, and there we go, we added 2 videos. And I would change the size, so you just drag this one here and that will automatically change the size. And I would want this to play automatically, so I'll turn it on, and then we update this page. Here you can select many options. The first one is the intersection, where you can have 2 boxes and you can put the text, or you can put the headings, and you can put the image only, and this is text editor, it's only for text, and you can edit the text as you please. And here is the button, and that is useful for having the button to direct to some web page, and we can modify this button as well. You can put the text, you can modify this button with colors, and you can put the URL. Once user clicks this, once your visitor click this, it will direct to the web page, something like that. So for that, you put the URL here, and it will link to the web page that you intend to link. So here what we will do is we have 2 videos playing, and what we'll do is, let's say we want to have the contact form. So what we do is we look for the contact form here. Actually, you can play around with all these tools, and this one is the divider between each content, and this one provides you the space for between. This one provides you the space, and this is the Google Map. In case you want to add your locations, you can simply add the Google Maps here, and if we select the Bangkok, Thailand, then that will display in your Google Map. So what we want to do here is that, because this will be displayed on the home page, on top of that content that is already there, so what we want is we want to add the mission and vision statement. So here what we want to do is we want to drag this heading and edit this text, let's say mission statement, and we want to edit this text, so we want it in blue color, green color. Mission statement should be in red color, I suppose, or we want something in between, so we select the color here and we put it in the middle, and similarly we drag and values, mission and vision. We don't say statement, so we just say mission, yeah. And this one is a vision, so we put it in same color, and we put it in the middle. And what we want to do here is we want to put some text for our vision and mission statement. Right, and here we put the content for this statement, and let's leave the content like this. But if we want to draw the border, we click here and we go to style and we select this border and we select the solid one, but we don't want the border to be black, so we want it gray to make it look simple. And we can put the image that is okay for this missions statement, and we will select the image that we just downloaded, the icon that we just downloaded, and see how it works. And we will modify this text, and here we can delete this area because we don't need them. And for vision as well, we will find the vision icon and in PNG. So which one is okay? This one looks okay, so we download it and we put the image for the icon here, and we select the images we just downloaded, this one. I hope that it's aligned with the web concept, so we will adjust the size. Yeah, that's just about the size. So we want to put slightly different background for this. So we'll put this color. Let's stick with the green. Let's stick with the green, and we keep this for this color as well. Not sure that it looks good. That's good to try. Well, it doesn't look quite good. So what we do is we change the color to something bright. So this color should be okay, and we'll put similar color. Or we will copy this color first. Make it same. Alright, so we just put the mission and vision statement, and what we want to do next is we will add the contact form. So now what we want to do is we want to add the contact form for our website, and we want to add the Google Map location for our office address. Before we do that, let's just move this mission and vision statement on top, and yeah, it seems to be better in terms of the look and feel. So here we want to add some space because it's too tight here, so we want to add the spacer here, and we can adjust the spacer. Yeah, this gap would look fine. So what we want to do is we update it and we go back and install the contact form, because we need the contact form here. So we need to install this plugin first. Add new plugin, and we search for WP form, and this form is easy drag and drop contact form, so we just activate this. So after we install the WP forms, we're gonna create the contact form for our website. So we click on the add, and here we put a name, Triam contact form, and here we select the contact form, the simple contact form, and it will have a default field for the visitors to fill up. And this is the form by default, and here we can drag and drop the information that we require for our website, and we can put the numbers as well. You can put we can change the label as phone number, and here the field option, we would set whether the field option is required or not. And for example, if we are to set the phone number as required, we click here, and there are many fields that are available for free, but if you want to upgrade it, and there is an icon included for the fields. What's important is that we have to go to the setting, and we have to set the email that will receive the contact information from the visitors. And what we do is we click on the notification, and we click it on, turn it on, and we put the email address here, because this email address will receive the inquiries from the visitors. And for the confirmation, we can confirm our email sending completion by writing this short text, and once we are done, we click save, and we go back to our page. And this is the home page that we are editing, and we edit with Elementor. There are a few steps that we have to go through, but it's okay. So we are back to our home page. So here what we want to add is we'll go down and we look for this WordPress form, and we drag and drop here, and there we can see the form. So what we want to do is contact us. We want to add the title, contact us, and we apply that. So here we have the contact form. So this form is okay, but we want to edit this contact form into slightly bigger. So here then we don't put the words contact us, we will put the heading instead. So we just leave this title blank, and we need a bit of space between, so we put here, and let's leave it there. And we want to add the headers here, and we want to type it as the contact us, and we want to change this color into green or blue, whichever looks good. Yeah, blue, and we put this in the middle. On this side, we want to add the title first, our office address, and we want to change this into the same color as this. So this number, and we copy, and for this we paste it here so that we get similar color, and we put it in the middle. And what we want to do is we want to add the Google Map here, and we want to put our address, Fortune Town, Bangkok, Thailand. Yep, there we are. And if we want to add the background, we can put the shape divider, and it could be mountains, and it could be clouds, and we can add colors we put the mountain on in the button, and we put some sort of this color. Looks cool. And on top we better put nothing. So here we have the cloud on the button, and that looks okay. So we update it, and let's see how it looks. So we view the web page and see if it looks better or not, and it looks okay. So what we want to do is we want to put this into the home page. So we go back and we go and customize this web page, and we put it here in the home page setting, and we select the static and we select this home page and see how it looks. So this is our home page. Not much content, but it looks okay, but I think we need more content here.